Zip right up, folks. This is our exciting new Simon Says Stamp card kit for June 2026 with some super fun things we think you're going to love. So I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set called Having Fun, and this is certainly a fun stamp set. So at the top you can see there are a lot of these burst type images. They could be used as fireworks or just backgrounds that are popping off your card, and they'll fit in with the other goodies that we have in the kit. There are many messages on here, and I'm going to start off with, we didn't realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. What's poppin'? Friends make life a lot more fun. Have a lot of fun today, plus every day. Poppin' in to say hello. Sweet plus fluffy birthday wishes. Life is the ticket. Good times. Life happens, cotton candy helps. Have a poppin' birthday. Enjoy the ride, and you make life sweet. At the bottom we have several designs, and these are to go with some of the dies that you'll have in your kit, and I'll show you how those work out. We have 4 die sets for you, and I'm going to start off with the popcorn box. It's adorable and 3D, and it has many pieces that you can put together. The stamp on the very lower right of the stamp set goes with the popcorn box, so you want to just center that onto your die cut, or stamp first and die cut second. The box die itself has score lines already built in, so you'll just need to fold those over to create your box, and add that little tab at the back to complete the full box. Then you can just put glue on that, fold it over to complete that portion. The next piece is cut in white, and that has like the top of popcorn, and it slides right into the box. And then you have 4 little pieces of popcorn, and you can color these and add them on top. There's also a label that will sit at the side to complete your box. The next die is called the Festive Bunting, and this has 6 little flags and also a string at the top. This is designed to go in a curve, and I've cut some from some red and Desert Storm cardstock. And you can also use some of the stamps to stamp onto your little flags. So we have some polka dots, some stars, and those are just perfect size. You could also do a diagonal stripe. So these will work with several of the patterns from the stamp set. Another die you'll receive is called the ephemera slots, and this cuts out 3 openings for you to add your ephemera or even gift cards or tags to give as gifts. And the 4th die for your kit is called the 3D cone that looks like a triangle, but it can be formed into a cone. The image that goes with this is indicated on the label on the stamp set. You'll want to line up your die cut on that very right edge, or if you're stamping first, you want to line up your die so that it matches up with that right edge. We suggest die cutting with copy paper, and what I found really handy was to use my Place and Score tool to start to round that paper so I can start forming that into a cone. Next, I'm using the Simon Says Stamp craft glue right on one edge of that cone, and now I'm going to start folding this over to connect the sides. The seam of your cone will probably sit at the back of your cards. Just smooth out your glue and set this aside to dry. And you're going to get a kick out of these. You'll also receive these amazing craft fluffs, 3 in blue and 3 in pink. And they also have a little swirl to them that looks just like cotton candy. The easiest way to assemble these is to use some hot glue and put it right on the cone, and then place your fluff right on top until that cools. And when that's done, you have an adorable cotton candy that you can add to your card. And oh my gosh, I didn't know they still made these, but you're going to get 3 of these popcorn scratch and sniff. So you just scratch off the top, and then it will give you that smell of popcorn. You're also going to receive a mini Tim Holtz Distress Oxide in Scattered Straw. The soft yellow color is perfect if you like your popcorn with butter. We're also including 1 foot of thin baker's twine, and that is with white and red, and that is also perfect to use with your festive bunting. And now for something magical. This is the Heat and Fluff, and this is a dimensional paint that you can use on your popcorn. And once it's applied and heated, it certainly is lifelike. Once you've applied your Heat and Fluff, hit it with your heat tool on a high setting. And here's how it looks up close. It really is dimensional and looks just like popcorn. We do have some ephemera for you in the way of tickets. So this is the Tim Holtz ticket book, and it comes with 95 tickets all in one book, and you'll receive the whole pack. So I'll flip through some of these so you can see how these look. They have some small tickets with prices, also some little punch tickets, more of those small tickets, and then we have some that are in sizes, and it has those circles that are down in the center. Look at all these tickets that you can add to your ephemera slots. Not only do they have that great vintage look with all the variety of tickets, they're also perforated on each side of the tickets. So you want to just fold over the bottom and tear across to remove your tickets. And then choose your ticket, fold it over, and tear it apart from the other ticket. So it has that rough edge just like you'd expect with a used ticket. How these work really well and how they're designed for this kit is you can slide in some tickets and other messages or images into your ephemera slots die. Next up, we have something super special and new. This is the Fun and Games card panels. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and they are designed in 4 quarters so they could be A2 cards when cut apart. So the patterns are stars, harlequins, stripes, and some very cute polka dots. We're also including some pre-scored cards, and these are the 4-bar size. These are of 120-pound cardstock weight. They measure 3.5 by 4 7/8, and you'll get 6 in total. And finally, you'll receive 1 sheet of Desert Storm heavy cardstock, 1 sheet of lightweight white to use with your 3D cone die, and 1 sheet of Schoolhouse Red heavyweight cardstock. So that's the contents from our Stump Right Up card kit for June 2026. Up next, I have some add-ons that I think you're going to really like to go with this kit. We have available a 4x6 stamp set, and this one is called Prize Ribbon Sentiments, and it has all these really bold sentiments. And to go with that, there's also the Prize Ribbon die, and these work together, and they are sold in a set. So we have all the elements that you need to create your prize ribbon, and all of these large circle messages will fit into the circle, which will be the front part of your prize ribbon die. There are some sub-messages that can be stamped onto the ribbon portion of your die. So when it's all put together, you can have your messages stamped to complete this prize ribbon. Another fun item is the Darling Duckies, and this has the embossing folder and also those dies, so they are facing left or right. Also available are the Darling Ducks stencils, and this is a set of 3 stencils. You can color the body, the beaks, and then the little eyes to complete your little embossed duckies. Another great die set that's available is called the Marquee Sign. This includes the outline, so you can have a base, also those marquee with those dots, and then a centerpiece to where you can pop that up with your message. And this goes perfectly with your stamp set from your kit. Also available is the Grandstand labels, and there are 9 dies in total, so they graduate into the smaller sizes. This is a great die set if you want to make little mini cards. You can just score that at the center and just make a little gift card. So the design is really unique and looks like a Grandstand label. And finally, also available is a stencil set called the Spotlight Burst Trio. So it has 3 stencils included. You can use these with some of the messages from the Prize Ribbon Messages stamp set, or alone. So try these out with your pastes or inks. They have a really nice fine detail and they work perfectly with all of these items to go with the Step Right Up card kit. I have some inspiration for you, starting with a card that I created using the popcorn box, some of those gorgeous papers, and stamped background with some bunting. Nina created her card using a lot of those add-ons for the kit, along with this perfect little cotton candy and a sweet message. Kathy's clean and simple card is gorgeous with the colors she chose for her festive bunting, stamp background, and have a little fun message. And before I go, I wanted to remind you of our free or discounted shipping opportunities. Valued subscribers have a chance each month to receive free U.S. shipping on a card kit subscription purchase. Simply log into your account, click Manage Subscription, and add additional products to your subscription shipment so that the order total is $100 U.S. or more before 11 p.m. Eastern Time on the 15th of the month. International customers will receive $7.99 off the cost of shipping with no code required. This is a great offer, especially with all those add-ons that we have available. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Step Right Up. I do have some links for you below on how to purchase this kit, plus those add-ons, and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi, I'm Heidi, founder of SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.